This baby have not been moving around since yesterday.
Babe, go away about Jamaican woman.
No, no look.
You're not going to slander no Jamaican woman around here.
No, how no look.
So, good evening. We are getting ready. For Milani's. Oh, too much.
Her friend Cindy.
Talent show.
Cindy.
Don't know if I want to do a red lip or a new lip, so I'm making sure I color correct around my mouth.
Enough for kids too.
That's facial moisturizer, little girl.
Case for grown-up and kids.
It's just moisturizer.
Yeah.
It don't matter. Really. It's not makeup. Because the only time she's allowed to put on makeup is at her dance recitals. So,
today I have a dance recital.
Boy, stop moving.
What time is it, Mom?
Almost time for you to start getting ready. Boy. Okay, keep your hand off your face. Let me see, turn around. Okay, that's fine. Can't find my foot brush.
These all the stuff that you're gonna put on me?
No.
The color is really soft, Mom. It's really soft.
Very soft. Okay, good.
Making my face get more comfortable.
Oh yeah?
Come to those brushes.
Well, yeah, the brushes are soft. I've had them for a long time.
Had them for a long time.
Alright, let's see. This one here, and then you can this with you.
Have that's with me.
Come. I'm gonna take the lip stuff with me, and her eyebrow stuff, the eye stuff, and 2 brushes because
Put these on.
you want to put it on yourself. Yay. Clean it a little bit. Put it on your lip. I'm gonna take a shower and then it's gonna be time for her to start putting on her clothes.
Mom, but you're gonna try to put like your stuff off. You're gonna try to like take off your.
But eyeshadow? No. Still gonna be there.
How? Stays on there when you take a shower?
Yeah, if I don't wash my face off. Come, let me see.
I already took his bath.
You already took a shower, you're fine. You can go play your tablet until I'm finished showering. Need to find underwear. That's the hardest part about being pregnant. Finding underwear that fit at this point in your pregnancy. Favorite lip liner?
My favorite.
ColourPop BFF3. I recently bought a new one and I realized they changed the color. And I wasn't happy about it. I really hope that my daughter learns social cues, even if it's social cues where I'm concerned, like she's annoying somebody.
Don't tell me left.
What time? Me I left.
What time are we leaving?
I am leaving at 4:10. Milani thing don't start until 5. She has to be backstage by 4:30. That's why I said it starts at 5. For you guys.
Oh, you guys.
Yeah.
Daddy,
How I'm here.
are you gonna come to my dance recital?
Yes, mommy. I'm coming. I thought we were all going at the same time. I didn't know that.
Your daughter has to be backstage. It's the same as last year. She has to be backstage and she has to practice.
She's so beautiful. Gorgeous.
We want to spend some makeup, honey.
You want to put a little makeup on you?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Keep.
Man, yeah. Tell self to catch, man. You want big gut in front of her. You see her?
Babe, go away. So, I don't know what kind of man be I go catch with this a big level 9 months there, yeah. Who?
I never stopped anybody before.
You're right. You have a point. Not me though.
You're a Jamaican woman.
Babe, go away about Jamaican woman.
No, no do.
You're not going to slander no Jamaican woman around here.
No, how no do. Always ready.
Alright, come on, honey. Time for you to get dressed. Dance recital was amazing. I'm hungry. I gotta go eat. I gotta go rest. I'm having contractions. I'm tired. It's been a long day. So I told myself I wasn't gonna stop school even though I'm pregnant and I'm being forced to stop. Talk to my school and there is absolutely no accommodations when you're pregnant. So I wanted like an extra 2 weeks off, not off, just so I can do my work online and not have to show up to school. They said they don't do those type of accommodations for pregnant people. So I'm gonna have to drop my spring classes and start back school in the first week of summer. And I'm conflicted. I actually really want to cry. Ever since I've been pregnant, I've cried nonstop. But I thought I was okay, but I'm not. I'm really not. I don't know how to feel. I'm conflicted. I'm confused. I am not okay. There's so much stuff that has come and ruined my plans.
In, out. In, out, in, out. Like this guy's channel. It's a channel. You know. Like this guy like now. I get it.
So it's super late at night and I went to the doctors today. They said I'm 1 centimeter dilated. So I'm 1 centimeter dilated and yeah, I've been in pain ever since I made them check. I don't know why I thought I had 2 weeks left really, but honey, no, it's literally a week. It's this week and next week. So we are up because I have pregnancy insomnia. The pregnancy insomnia is really killing me. So I'm gonna wrap gifts and watch something on YouTube. And I have to sit down these days and do everything because
This pregnancy is kicking my ass. My face is super puffy now. And this is how you know I'm gonna give birth soon. Like, my face is plump, lips plump, nose plump, cheeks plump, everything is plump. Anyways, yeah.
So this Christmas definitely threw me for a loop, and I will say this Christmas will definitely be one to remember. Whether that be good, bad, or indifferent, it will definitely be something that will be stuck to me forever. This Christmas meant a lot to me because this is going to be my last Christmas as a mom of two, and I'm also 9 months pregnant. So it was imperative for me to not only have a good Christmas, but also a good Christmas for my children. And when I say this Christmas threw me for a loop, it threw me for a big loop. I was overfull with emotions, overfilled with tears, overfilled with hope, dreams, and aspirations, and not only that, concerns. I'm embarking on a new journey, especially as a mom of 3 children, and my last postpartum experience was not that great. So everyone is excited to have a baby, and everyone is happy for the baby to come, and I am absolutely terrified of postpartum. And that, along with me just being not a mom of 2 anymore, really set the tone for what would happen next.
So it's Christmas afternoon, and I drove myself to the hospital because this baby has not been moving around since yesterday, and I think something may be wrong. So baby is fine. I'm leaving the hospital now. But yeah, I want better to be safe than sorry. She wasn't moving around since yesterday, and yesterday was Christmas Eve. Today is Christmas Day, so I spent majority of my time in the hospital. How convenient for me.